Tell the story of a manager who chooses a cheap, inexperienced cleaning company to save money, instead of hiring General Facility Care LLC. At first, everything seems fine. But weeks later, trash piles up, floors stain, restrooms smell, and sickness spreads in schools, offices, and hospitals. The inexperienced crew skips key areas and uses the wrong products, leading to complaints, inspections, and client loss. Then the scene shifts. General Facility Care LLC arrives. Uniformed teams, advanced equipment, and smart technology. GFC combines cleaning expertise with innovation and OSHA 30 certified managers to deliver safe, consistent, and professional results. Professional cleaning isn't a cost, it's protection. Choose General Facility Care LLC. Visit www.gbctampabay.com or call 813-280-5300.